Development. We have an independent R&D department, responsible for product development and design. Printing. The design will be printed here. Sublimation. Let the printed pattern go through environmentally friendly active printing and dyeing. Cutting. The fabric pieces that need laser cutting will be processed here. Stitching, where the sorted fabric pieces will be finished and sewn together. Quality testing, where the excess fabric pieces or threads will be trimmed. Ironing, ironing the clothes flat. Packaging, after all the above steps, you can finish packing and shipping.